Are you looking to elevate your subscription management with Paid Memberships Pro? Our subscription delay add-on allows you to adjust the subscription start date utilizing one setting field in your membership levels or your discount code. Hi, I'm Sam Darty, and today I'm going to be demoing how you can use the subscription delay add-on for Paid Memberships Pro. There are several use cases as to why you'd want to use this add-on. For example, maybe your membership is a calendar year where everybody needs to renew on the same day of the year. Maybe it's January 1st. Or maybe you're offering a monthly membership and you want everybody to have the renewal date of the first of the month rather than when they have signed up. You also can delay the start date of maybe you're offering a cohort and they start on a specific day. And that's when you want to start charging the money. But members can sign up ahead of time. The subscription delay gives you the capability to do all of these different use cases. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use the subscription delay add-on. I do have an active license key on my Must Love Dogs demo site. If you do not have a Plus license, you can get all of our add-ons from GitHub. But because I do have an active license, I'm going to go to Memberships, Add-ons, and I will search for subscription delays. I will install and activate the add-on. Excellent. Now, by activating this add-on, I have now added one field in membership level settings and discount code settings. That one field is going to allow us to change when someone is going to get charged for their subscription. Now that I have this all set, I'll go to Settings. I'm going to be adjusting my mid-tier level. This one is $25 per month. I will go ahead and edit the level. And here's where in the billing details is where we can start with the settings and the different changes that we want to make. If we want the checkout to be completed with no charge right now, we would want to adjust this initial payment to $0. This will make it so at checkout it says this level is $0 now, and then $25 a month, and then that's where the subscription delays goes in of, is it after 7 days? Is it a specific day of the month? Is it the next year? Being that it's monthly, you probably don't want it to be the next year. But this initial payment is what's going to be charged immediately at checkout. If you are pairing the subscription delays add-on with our approval process for membership add-on, then you may want to keep an initial payment here to charge them an application fee. So that is up to you, but for this demonstration, I'm going to set that initial payment to $0, and then we will continue further down to other settings. Here we see the subscription delays settings, and again, it's one box. This is where we're going to learn how we can configure the subscription delays in different ways for your different use cases. To start, we're going to demonstrate a 7-day trial, or maybe it's a 14-day trial. However long your trial wants to be, you're going to enter that exact number. So for a 7-day trial, you just enter the number 7. We save that level and we go to our checkout page. In the member information, the price for the membership is $0 now, then $25 per month after your 7-day trial. The information of what that level cost says on checkout is also right here on the level settings page. So this is also where we can see what it would actually say when our members go to the front end of the site. So if I edit the level again, we'll go ahead and talk about the next way you could do this. Another way you could do it is you could set it up to be an exact date. So this would be like the cohort use case that I initially said at the beginning of the video. If you have a cohort that starts, we'll say October 12th, but members can go ahead and sign up for that membership level. We have on the billing details, it's still $0 initially, and then $25 per month. but the cohort doesn't start until October 12th, so we don't really want to charge our people until then. So we will actually put the exact date listed in here in the year, month, day format. So 2025-10-12. And if we save this level, it says $0 now and then $25 per month starting October 12th, 2025. So that is how you can set an exact date as to when they would start, regardless of when they sign up. Now for the example of making sure that when somebody checks out, regardless of when in the month they check out, their subscription is going to start the same day every month. Let's say you want your members to be charged the 5th of every month. To do this, we would want to put Y1 stating this year, month 2 stating next month, and then 05 for the day. So we're still in year, month, day format, but Y1 is saying this current year. M2 is saying the next month, and then 05 is the actual day, the number of the day. So if we save this level, it says that it'll be $0 now, then $25 per month starting October 5th. And then from every 5th of the month is when that person will have their subscription renewal. For the calendar year membership, I'm going to edit my top tier membership. This is my professional. It does say $100, but I'm going to remove this initial fee, make it $0 initially. And instead of $100 per month, I'm going to change this to year. So it's $100 a year. And then in my other settings where we have the subscription delay field, this is where I'm going to put Y2, so the next year. And we'll say that everybody renews on January 1st. Regardless of when you sign up, you will get charged January 1. So it'll be 0101. Now, if I save this level, this is where it's going to say $0 now and $100 per year starting January 1, 2026. However, I'm in September right now. So if I want my members to have some kind of fee at sign up before they get charged for the next year, and I would set this initial payment to say something. So let's say it's $75. You get $25 off for signing up kind of mid-year, and then you will pay $100 for the next year on January 1. We'll save this level, and then it says it's $75 now, and then $100 per year starting January 2026. That initial billing is also what you could do if you were approving or denying members with our approval process add-on, like I mentioned earlier. The settings are very similar if you want to use this as a discount code instead of your regular membership level. The discount codes completely override all of your membership level settings, and this will allow you to offer a 7-day free trial as part of a sale maybe. To do this, you will go to discount codes. You will create a new discount code, or you can adjust an existing one if you have one already. I recommend adding a new one. Discount codes are populated with a random string of numbers and letters, but we will go ahead and change this to trial. I always like to label my discount codes so I understand what it was used for and why we even created it. You can edit the start date and the expiration date of how long this discount code is going to be good for. You also can limit the total number of uses or limit it per user. But I'll link to the documentation on discount codes in the description below, so you have all of the information on these different settings. Specifically, I want to touch on the subscription delay settings within a discount code. So, like I said, discount codes override the membership level settings. It does bring in exactly what you already have as your default settings on each membership level. So the one that we were playing with earlier, my enhanced level, we have a $0 initial payment, It is a recurring subscription for $25 per month. And at the very bottom, we have our subscription delay field. This field allows you to input the exact same variables that we can enter in the membership level settings that I already went over within this field. So we'll say that this discount code gives them a 7-day free trial. We'll save the code, and then we could go to our checkout page, and it is saying that the trial code's been applied to your order. So it does show that there is a discount code being used, and we do have the membership $0 now and $25 per month after your 7-day trial. That is all the ways that you can use the subscription delay add-on.
I hope you got some value out of what you just watched. If you're serious about building a profitable membership site, the fastest way to launch or scale is with a premium plan at paidmembershipspro.com. We've made it as affordable as possible to get started, and most people who upgrade stick with us for years. Why? Because they're making money, and we keep delivering expert support, premium add-ons, and a private community of over 1,000 creators building businesses just like yours. Click the link to compare plans or keep learning. We'll see you in the next video.